In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add company logo in DocuSign emails. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so your recipients see your company's branding whenever they receive DocuSign notification emails. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the official DocuSign website. Sign in with your account credentials just like you normally do. To make these changes, you'll need access to account level settings. So if you don't see the admin options I'm about to show, check that you have the right permissions in your organization. Once you're signed in, look at the top navigation bar and click Admin. This opens the account level dashboard where you control settings that affect your entire account. From here, you can manage policies, users, and in our case, branding. In the admin menu, select Branding. This is the section that controls your logos and how your DocuSign emails appear to recipients. Brands can be helpful if you manage multiple departments or subsidiaries that each need a distinct look, but they work great for a single company identity as well. Quick note while we're here, the link to the official DocuSign website is at the very top of the video description, so if you need it, you can grab it there. Next, decide whether to create a new brand or edit an existing one. Click Add Brand to create a new brand from scratch, or pick an existing brand if you already have one set up and just want to update the logo. Choose the brand you plan to use for your email so the change applies where you expect it. Now upload your company logo image. A PNG or JPG usually works best. Use a clean, high-resolution version, ideally with a transparent or solid background that matches your email style. Wide, horizontally oriented logos tend to fit better in email headers, and keeping the file size reasonable helps the logo load quickly in recipient inboxes. Before you commit, preview how the logo appears in DocuSign emails. Make sure it's clear, not pixelated, and positioned the way you want. Check that it's readable against the header color, and that it scales nicely for smaller screens. If something looks off, swap in a better sized version, and preview again. When everything looks right, save your branding changes. From there, apply the brand to your envelopes or templates as needed, so that the updated logo appears on outgoing notifications to your recipients. That's how to add a company logo in DocuSign emails. I hope this helped you get your branding set up smoothly. Thanks for watching.